Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we break down the tech that matters. Today we're looking at the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop, a machine that promises power and portability. With an Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti GPU, and a 144Hz display, it's clearly geared toward gamers and multitaskers alike. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at what it really offers. This laptop is built around the 12th gen Intel Core i7-12700H processor, a powerful chip that delivers impressive multitasking capabilities. With 8 cores and 12 threads, it's designed to balance performance with efficiency, making it great for everything from gaming to creative workloads. While it may not be the highest-end model in Intel's lineup, it's more than capable of handling most modern tasks without breaking a sweat. You'll see this chip shine when you're running games, video editing software, or even working through large spreadsheets. Powering those games is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti, which brings next-gen graphics to the table. This GPU comes with 4 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory and supports advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS, making it ideal for playing at high settings. Whether you're diving into graphically demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 or Call of Duty Warzone, the RTX 3050 Ti will deliver solid performance. You can expect frame rates above 60 FPS on medium to high settings at full HD resolution, with smooth gameplay and realistic lighting effects. With 8 GB of RAM and a 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, this laptop offers a solid balance between speed and storage. The RAM is enough for casual gaming and multitasking, but if you're someone who runs heavy applications or has a tendency to keep multiple browser tabs open, you might want to consider an upgrade to 16 GB. As for storage, the 512GB SSD will provide quick boot times, rapid file transfers, and a more responsive overall experience compared to traditional HDDs. It's perfect for installing your favorite games or storing large creative files, though. If you need more space, you'll be glad to know there's room for expansion. The Victus 15's display is another standout feature. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen has a 144Hz refresh rate and a 9 milliseconds response time. For gaming, this means you get smoother visuals and quicker reactions in fast-paced games. The 144Hz refresh rate is especially helpful in titles where every frame counts, giving you an edge in competitive gameplay. The screen also offers good color accuracy, so it's not just great for gaming, it's also a solid option for media consumption. Watching videos or streaming content looks crisp and clear, with good contrast and color reproduction. When it comes to real-world performance, the Victus 15 delivers. For light office work like browsing, emailing, or video calls, the laptop is a breeze. It handles multitasking without issue, so you won't be bogged down by simple tasks. For gaming, it's more than capable of running modern titles at high settings in Full HD, but the thermal performance is something to keep an eye on. During extended gaming sessions, the laptop tends to get warm, especially around the keyboard and underside. It's not unbearable, but it's something to be mindful of if you're planning long sessions. The cooling system has been updated to keep things in check, but the fans can still get noticeable under load. Fortunately, they don't get too loud, just a constant hum that's more noticeable in quieter environments. As for battery life, the 52.5-hour battery should get you through around 6 to 8 hours of light office work or streaming. Gaming, of course, will drain it faster, likely leaving you with around 2 to 3 hours, depending on the intensity of the game. The laptop charges fairly quickly, thanks to its USB-C charging support, though it's not the fastest charger in its class. Still, for a gaming laptop, the battery life is decent enough for shorter mobile gaming sessions. The keyboard on the Victus 15 feels solid, with good key travel and tactile feedback for comfortable typing sessions. The backlighting is a nice touch, especially in dimly lit environments, but it's not customizable. The trackpad is responsive, though it's on the smaller side, which may be a bit of a downside for users who prefer more space for gestures or precision. There's no dedicated number pad, which may be a downside for those who rely on that for work, but the overall layout is clean and efficient. In terms of connectivity, the HP Victus 15 doesn't disappoint. It comes with a range of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, an SD card reader, and an RJ45 Ethernet port. This makes it versatile for connecting to external devices, monitors, and gaming peripherals. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures fast and stable internet connections, while Bluetooth 5.2 provides solid support for wireless peripherals like headphones and mice. Now let's talk about the big question: value for money. The HP Victus 15 offers a solid package for the price, but where does it stand against the competition? If you're looking at similar options, the Asus TUF Gaming F15 or the Lenovo Legion 5 come to mind. Both have similar specs and performance, though the HP Victus 15's sleek design and better thermal management might make it a more appealing option for those who want a good-looking laptop that can handle gaming and productivity without getting too loud. In terms of price, it's competitive for what you're getting, especially if you're looking for a solid gaming laptop without breaking the bank. The build quality of the Victus 15 is robust, though it's not as premium feeling as some higher-end gaming laptops. The plastic chassis is durable enough for daily use, and the hinge feels solid. However, the design isn't as flashy or refined as some of its competitors. If you're someone who values a more premium build, this might not be the laptop for you. But for gamers on a budget, the durability is more than sufficient. Finally, the HP Victus 15 is a solid gaming laptop that balances power, performance, and portability. It's well suited for gamers who need a machine that can handle modern games at high settings, but also work well for everyday tasks like office work and media consumption. It's not the best laptop in terms of battery life or premium feel, but it's a great choice for those who want a capable gaming laptop at a reasonable price. If you're into competitive gaming or need a machine for light content creation, the Victus 15 can deliver. If you're still on the fence, don't forget to check out the link in the comments box for more details on this laptop. If you already own one, let us know in the comments how it's holding up for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay in the loop with the latest tech reviews from Reviewsinside TV.